Draw a straight horizontal line. Place your compass in the center of the line, drawing a small circle. Place your point on the left intersecting point, drawing another circle, and do the same on the right side of the circle. Measure the diameter of the circle, one edge to the other edge. Keep your point there as you draw an arc above and below, and do the same from the right side of the circle. Draw a straight line directly through both intersecting points. Place your compass in the center of the circle and reduce the compass back to its original measurement. Draw two circles as shown. Place your compass point on the top right corner of this petal, drawing another circle. Do the same here. Draw another circle from the bottom left corner petal and one from the top left corner petal. Draw a circle from the top, right, bottom and left crossover points. Then draw a circle from the outer edges of every petal. And then draw a circle in every corner. Draw lines around the outer edges of the circles, creating one big square. Find the center points of your petals and draw a diagonal line directly through them as shown. Continue this all the way from top to bottom of the pattern. Repeat the process with your ruler facing diagonally left. Here I'm just finishing it all off by connecting the lines that I already drew in a box-like fashion. Hopefully the video can help explain what I mean. Connect the point of every line within the circle. Our first dynamic octagram. Continue this within every circle. 9 circles in total. Feel free to erase both the inside and outside of the octograms. Some people may also prefer to draw the large square outside of the points of the octograms rather than the circles. Now for the fun part, colouring in. Choose a colour and colour in the octograms. I'm just doing it freehand, but you may want to use a ruler to help guide you around the edges. Draw horizontal lines through all 3 rows of circles. Use the bottom row as your guide. Draw 2 vertical lines within each circle. Simply connect the points to make a square. We now have our octagram shapes. Erase any messy lines that you don't need. Make sure you keep the shapes. Color in the shapes. If using a ruler to get clean edges, you can draw long diagonal lines from one end to the other. But when using a ruler vertically, take care to stay within the shape, so that you don't make a mistake like I did here on the right. Color in the background crosses if you wish. It will really help make your design pop. Thanks for drawing with me. I look forward to seeing you in the next class. Bye for now.